Hello, hope that you can hear me. Wise Crypto. I am like Austin, and this is just a test. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope that everything is fine. Everyone, just wait patiently. Our guest, like they're just coming. Actually, they will join. No worry. And also, I can say that is today we'll discuss more about the 100 Pay and their debit cards. So you can just have a look from their website. That is 100pay.co and just have a look their debit card features and also they have the other utilities. You can just have a look there. Then if you have any questions, queries, you can ask to this email to our speaker actually. So just get ready and also like I can say invite your friends and family to be part of this email session where are able to learn more about the 100 Pay and like their whole utilities so on. So yeah, just to wait patiently. Thank you everyone. Hi Brainy, can you hear me?
Hi, Austin. Yeah, I can hear you. Good afternoon.
Okay, yeah, thank you. I'm just waiting for you actually, and also
Oh,
our whole audience just they're waiting to hear from you. And
oh,
so I hope that are you ready right now?
yes, we're ready.
Okay,
Sorry
thank
about
you.
yes, yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
go ahead. So I can say first of
Yeah.
all, thank you everyone for waiting patiently actually. And also like as I mentioned earlier, like today we're going to be discussing about the 100 Pay and their debit cards and so on. So just stay tuned if you want to learn more, no worries. So first of all, let me say that is what is 100 Pay? So, 100 Pay, I can say they're building and shaping the future of payments that they have chosen to make the path for others, set the standard for the payments and continue the simplifying the complex, the blockchain technologies for the developers and businesses and contributing to the ecosystem expansion. And also, guys, they have the debit cards, I can say, which is like utility cards. You can see you can use it in different purpose, and also you can pre-order this card actually like you will get up to 1 million in spend limit. That's amazing. And also you can hold and spend like 22 plus crypto without converting to the fiat. Amazing features I can say. Then also you can like get up to 5% discount on all transaction using pay. And yeah, they are working in all countries. So no worries, like today we'll discuss more about just stay tuned. So here is our speaker Brainy. So could you please just Brainy say a bit about yourself, then just say a bit about 100 Pay and also your debit cards.
All right, thank you so much for that introduction. So, my name is Brady, and I'm the CEO of HondaPay. So today, we're going to be talking about the HondaPay debit card over this AMS session, and what you can do with it, and why it's actually different from other providers like Bybit and Binance. The issue is that those cards are not accessible to everyone, and of course, you don't get to have that much limits that we offer you because our cards are premium. So with the 100 Pay debit card, it's in three levels. So you have the standard card, which is $100,000 with spending limits monthly, and you have the um, the elite card, which is $500,000 monthly spend limit, and you have the black card, which is a titanium card, is a metallic card, right? It's customized, it's rare. So you have that card that gives you $1 million spend limit on a monthly basis. And we have just 20,000 pieces of this card to distribute this December, and the others will be coming in from next year, which of course this December is at a 50% discount. So every card is on 50% discount for this year. And when we move over to next year, the price will definitely increase. So one of the benefits of having this card is that it gives you up to 5% discount using the Pay token, which is already trading on X.com exchange. So Pay token is a utility token for the Holiday ecosystem, which lets you make payments anywhere at all because we have several products. We have like the checkouts, which people use to collect crypto payments on their website and your mobile apps and at physical stores. And we are introducing the Pay card now, which is now going to make it possible for you to even make payments on any Visa supported device, ATM machine, POS, and all that. So you no longer need to worry how to convert your crypto to fiat, to your dollar, to your pounds, to your Indian rupees. I mean, any currency. So the card works in over 179 countries worldwide, and you can pre-order it right now from our website. So it's the pre-order has been ongoing and it's almost getting filled out. So we are hoping to start shipping from 30th of this month, November. So it's already very close. So there are a lot of other benefits you can also get with this card. So I'll also talk about the card we listed that was in April this year. I think we had an AMS session with White Crypto. So some users here are already familiar with the 100Pay ecosystem, probably because you heard from us months ago. And then we had a public sale and then listed a week later, thereabout. And it's been great since then. So we went back to build and come out with, greater products like the 100Pay checkout. We have the 100Pay platform, which lets you build crypto products. So this is an infrastructure for companies. So you can build out your own exchange on the 100Pay infrastructure. You could build a crypto exchange, you could build a crypto wallet, you could build a payments platform. So this is just an infrastructure. So if you think about it, you have an app that lets people send and receive crypto, but then you have an admin, you have the 100Pay platform, which lets you manage your users' wallets and move funds in between these wallets, convert between fiat and fiat back to crypto. Now you now have a card that helps you spend any of your cryptocurrencies anywhere. So this is not a prepaid card. You don't have to like refund the card with dollar or anything. So it's a crypto debit card, like powered card. So you hold, let's say you hold about 22 cryptocurrencies, could be Bitcoin, could be Ethereum, it could be anything. And then you find yourself in a mall where you want to pay for something, you want to buy something, and you don't have to convert your Bitcoin to dollar or anything because Bitcoin could go up the next second. So what you just do, you just use the card and make that payment. But and if you're holding Pay token, which is our cryptocurrency for our ecosystem, you get up to 5% discount on that transaction. And it's not only for selected merchants, it's everywhere, anywhere you are, you can access this. So it might be a good time to also buy the token and hold it because the moment you start shipping out the cards, the token might be doing, good um might be doing very well because a lot of people will be buying it and holding it to be able to access discount. So that's the primary currency for the card, and you can also use you can also hold dollar, you can USD, Canadian dollars, euro, Indian rupees. You can hold that in the card. So it's a global card that works all around the world, and you don't have to worry about it because we've been in operations for about 5 years now, and we are very, very secure. And sometime later next year, we're going to be launching our cryptocurrency exchange, which we are already expecting approval from SEC and some other products that is in pipeline. And of course, we have a lot of things in the ecosystem that you can use to benefit. For example, we have the contest app that you can actually farm pay token. So you can actually farm by playing games or tapping on the screen, and we have the contest feature that will be rolling out soon where you'll be able to win your favorite products, iPhones. I mean, you can as well win other cryptocurrency assets, on the platform. So a lot of very, very cool features that we're going to be rolling out. But what we're going to be emphasizing more, we are currently focusing on is the crypto debit card. And let me also reference the Bybit card. So Bybit card only provides you $250,000 limit on a yearly basis. In a year, you can only spend $250,000 on that card, right? But with our card, you can do 1 million monthly. You get so these are some of the unique differences, and of course, these cards are now available. The Bybit card is not available everywhere. The Binance card is not available everywhere. Coinbase card is not also available everywhere. But we've been able to extend the support to 179 countries that you can use this card. So now might be a good time to hop on and pre-order your card, which you can actually do that from our website, and you can pay with either cryptocurrencies or you can make the payments with Stripe checkout, right? So these are the two methods of payments we accept: Stripe checkout and cryptocurrencies. So the cryptocurrencies payment is enabled by our checkout. So that's so for you to be able to pay for the card with crypto is made possible by our checkout. So 100 checkout helps you collect payments on your website and mobile app. And you can look at our documentations if you're a developer to integrate this. So we are using our own checkout to power payments. So when you send the cryptocurrency, then it's automatically confirmed and confirms your order. So it's not a manual process. So You also have the pay link, which you can actually create a payment link you can share with your audience. So if you're a freelancer or you're a business and you need to receive crypto payments online, just head over to paylink.honeypay.co and create your own payment link that you can share with people to pay you online. So now it is very it's an important tool for wallet security. So now there's this thing called wallet drainers where you get your crypto drained from your wallet because you're exposing your wallet. So you're not supposed to be copying your wallet addresses where you have first and be sharing to people because they can look up these addresses and see how much is in it. That is where the pay link comes in. So it generates random addresses that you can share with people for them to be able to send you crypto. And when they send you crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other 20 plus supported crypto, it gets converted to USDC automatically. So if they were to pay you $100 when Bitcoin was at $100,000, and now Bitcoin is $80,000 or 90,000, you still get to receive $100 because Honeypay takes care of that entire conversion process and everything. And this is currently being used by major big organizations, malls, supermarkets, like everywhere. So this card is our biggest product right now that we're rolling out, and we're actually inviting you to join now so that you don't get to buy it later at an expensive price or get struggle to get it because from next year you would have to apply and you may not be able to get or you may just queue up because of the number of cards we have to ship. So we are having this AMA over here with Wise Crypto because Wise Crypto is an old friend that we've done AMAs with you previously, and we're like, okay, let's give your community an opportunity to hop on this card. So yeah, and of course, those of you who didn't buy pay token, then it might be a good time to rack up some pay because you'll be able to spend with this cryptocurrency. It's going to be the one cryptocurrency that you can use anywhere in the world. So I think I would let Austin take over from here, or maybe questions, and I'm available to answer all that questions. Thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Rainy. Thank you. Actually, I think you covered everything. So people, yes, like I can summarize once again, they have three tiers of product available. That is standard card, which has like 100K monthly transaction limit, and also they have the elite card, which is the 5,000 like
Yeah,
500K monthly transaction limit, and also they have the titanium card,
correct.
like which has 1 million
Yeah,
monthly transaction limit. So you can guys order
yeah,
any of them. They have like the website that you can order from paycard.100pay.co. I repeat,
yeah,
paycard.100pay.co. So you can like purchase any of them. So Brittany, I have just like one more question actually. So like if I order from India, or you think like from other countries like the
yeah,
Belgium, Nigeria, so how can I
yeah.
get this card actually, and also who will bear this cost?
Okay, yeah, fantastic. So right now we have orders from India. Most of our orders are coming from India, US, Australia, and some other countries, right? So the card is being shipped to you straight by Visa, straight from Visa, and it's with your name on it, your address, whatever address you applied with and all that. Of course, there's KYC and all that. So it is shipped by them straight to you. So there is no middleman intermediary. So your funds are 100% secure. So you are the first person to unseal this card. So it is shipped to you straight by Visa, right? So you can actually get that, and you don't have to, pay too much money or all of that stuff. So and that's one of the benefits you get from ordering it right now, right? Otherwise, you may have to do that in the future. And of course, we may be running out, or maybe we're shipping like 1 million cards monthly. Of course, that will be a lot of queue. So, so it's actually available all around the world. And of course, there's a virtual card that you can actually use online, or you can also pre-order the physical card as well. So the card works with Apple Pay, it works with Google Pay, it works everywhere. So you can add it to your Apple Pay and Google Pay and do contactless payments. I'll pay for subscription, YouTube, Apple Music, and anywhere at all. So this is the true freedom of cryptocurrency, and we're making this possible, right? So you can actually hop on and get a card. It's not a prepaid card, it's not a virtual card, it's a crypto powered debit card. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you, Branny, for the clarification. And also, like, another question, like you mentioned about like the card utilities, like people can withdraw cash from ATMs. So, like, do you have your own ATMs, or
Yeah.
can I withdraw from like any other ATMs actually? If yes, like I can withdraw from any other ATM. So, how do you maintain this regulation actually with different ATMs or different cryptocurrencies?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is so we're leveraging the existing Visa robust payment network. So any ATM machine at all that accepts a Visa debit card, that card works there. So we don't have to install ATM in your country or issue, I mean, POS in your country or anything. So it works there. So you can withdraw cash from ATMs and you get cash, but you have a crypto debit card. But the thing here is now you can if you're using the pay token, you're using pay token, you will be paying a lesser transaction fee, a lesser conversion fee compared to when you are using Bitcoin. We could charge you 2% on Bitcoin, but we could charge you as little as 0.5 when you're using pay token. So it looks like something that everybody should, want to rack up because I mean that's a lot of utility around it. So you just use your card at an ATM machine and it gives you money. You go to the mall, you use it at the POS, it gives you value. So we don't have to install cards. So it's just like a normal debit card. I mean, yeah. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
okay, yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you for the clarification once again. And also, I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
like I can say that is within the like 31st December, you are providing like 20K cards only. So if I order now, actually,
Yes,
like
that's correct.
yeah, like if I order like if the order exists actually, like if you get the order like 30K or so on, so the rest cards like
Hmm.
when they will get actually.
Come again. Can you say that again? I didn't get that.
Like I can say like if you think like you have the orders right now that is 30K actually, so the 10K orders is like more, so
Hmm.
when they will get their cards actually this more order. Can you hear me,
Okay.
Brainy?
If I get you right, I can hear you, but I'm not sure. Um,
Yeah,
but
I'm just
let me.
asking.
You are
Yeah, like
asking.
when you will
Okay.
distribute your cards to the like users actually, the first one and the
Hmm.
second
Hmm.
one.
No, no, no. What we have for now, what we are only taking in is 20,000 pre-orders on the first set this December. So by the time we start shipping that from 10th of December, and we're done with that segment of shipping, the next pre-orders might be open in a 2 months time or 1 month's time or so. That is giving us enough room to make sure that we provide you with the best services and you become one of the first users of these cards. We take your feedbacks and we can go back and make improvements with it and all that. And people that may be ordering later might not get these particular cards that you have. They might be getting cards with much lower limits. You understand?
Okay, okay, yeah, got it. So,
Yeah.
guys, they have the limited edition of their cards. You can pre-order, you can collect their cards,
Hmm.
and you can like use it everywhere. Like I can say, 150 countries actually. You can use this card actually, no worries. So like if you think you're traveling, if you think like you're like you can use it from educational purpose, like fees, payments, and shopping. I think like every prospect actually. So thank you, Brenny, once again. So let me take another question. So how do you maintain the
Yes, that's
security
100%
issues?
correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
like
Yeah.
your security issue. Can you hear me,
Say that
Brenny?
again. Go on.
Yeah,
Yes. What
may
did you
I
say?
know about your security? Like,
Yeah, I
how
can
do you
hear you. What
assure
did you
that
say?
no money will lose from your card? Actually, how do you
Oh,
maintain
yeah.
your security?
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is every it's compliant. We've partnered with all like different you know security and compliance bodies that is required for us to be able to issue this card. So your funds are 100% secured and is held custody by banks or different banks. So the money is not even sitting with us. You understand? So it's actually held by other banks that we partnered with and all that, and with the Visa network and all that. So it is 100% safe, 100% secured. Your your money can be accessible to you anytime, and it's on chain. So we're actually committed to making sure that we're compliant with different um, countries and their policies and all that. So and if we receive any message, oh yeah, we need to do this, and we also always work with them to make sure that we are 100% compliant. So the monies are safe, it is secure, and our platform is 100% safe and secure as well.
Okay, yeah, thank you once again. So yeah, guys, they're 100% secure. No worries. Your money will be safe. You can use it. So Brainy, I have just another question. Like, do you have another product rather than this card actually that we can expect from your 100 pay?
Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, we already have the pay checkout, right? We have the other pay checkout. We have the wallets that you can actually sign up and use. So if you're a developer, you can build out a wallet, you can build anything on our infrastructure. So you don't have to pay heavy fees or maintaining nodes and all that. So with our SDKs, in minutes you can start generating wallet addresses for the users. And when they deposit Bitcoin, it comes to your wallet. They deposit Ethereum, deposit whatever currency, and it comes to you and you can convert between currencies. And of course, we have contest app. You can go to Telegram and search contest app bots. So with the contest app, you can actually start farming pay token. That's part of our airdrop program, which we'll be distributing sometime next year. So you can rack up a lot of pay tokens right now so that you can always use it later and all that. So that's you can also contest with other people to win. So we have a weekly pool of $1,000 that you can be you and people have been withdrawing from that for months now. A lot of people have played contest app and we've been paying out our weekly leaderboard. So if you get to the leaderboard top 100, you get to share $1,000 on a weekly basis, and you get to win amazing products like iPhones and AirPods and all that. And we've been doing this for months now. So that is for contest app, which all of this is still connected to honestly you can connect your P wallet to contest app, which you get big points for each transaction and all your activities on 100pay. So some products you can use right now from 100pay is sign up on 100pay.co and use our wallets, our pay link to receive money online securely and convert between cryptocurrencies. So these are some things you can actually do with 100pay right now that is readily available for anybody anywhere in the world. So whether you're a business owner, you're a developer, or you're a crypto enthusiast, you can actually use products from 100pay. And I mean, we've been operating for some time now, for like 5 years now, so we are very, very secure. So yeah, so those are some of the things. But for now, we actually have a couple of products lined up that will be rolling out next year, and we'll still come back to Wise Crypto to have an AMA with you guys to introduce. But that's in the real estate sector. We're still making sure that we have all our compliance and everything sorted. Thank you very much. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, thank you once again for answering my questions.
yeah,
So, like, I can see you have your referral program, like referral bonuses. That's 4%.
yeah.
So could you share
Mhm.
actually, like, how does this referral works actually?
Okay, so the referral program, how it works is so if you go to 100, okay, let me share my screen. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, thank you. Okay, so can you confirm if you can see my screen?
Yes, I can.
All right, so this is the 100p crypto card, and this is what it looks like. And if you head over to PayCard or 100p.co, you can see this. Of course, if you scroll down, you'll see a button that says Start Earning. Click on the Start Earning button, and it will take you to the section of the PayCard that says Refer and Earn. So you share a referral link and earn $4 from each of your friend that pre-orders a PayCard. So we give you $4. So whenever your friend pre-orders a PayCard, you get $4 from us. So even if you get to refer like 100 friends, 1,000 friends, you're getting all that. But you only get the money when they pre-order. Now to get your link, you click on get your referral links. You put in your email. In my case, I put in my email here and I click on proceed. And it will ask me to put in my password, which I'll put in my password, of course, confirm my fingerprints and proceed. And then I am signed into my account and then it generates my referral code. So I'll copy this link here by clicking on this copy button, or I select and copy it. And then I can now share this okay, I can click on share your days, or I can just copy this link and go to my Twitter, my and just post that link and say, hey, pre-order this crypto card now for, and then anybody that actually does that, I can right. And of course, you can always contact support anytime you have any issue. Well, I think it's taking some time to load here. So there are a couple of other products you can access from the footer section here. On the card, crypto card, pay token, payments gateway, and you can of course see our offices around the world. 3 offices, and of course carry out documentations, connect with us in other communities, and we'll always be happy to provide you support and anything. So when you log into your 100 pay account, you go to the referral screen, and you'll be able to see the people you've referred to 100 pay. I don't know why it's taking some time to direct. Let me go to my dashboard. Let me share my screen with you guys. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Hello, everyone. Okay. All right. So if you look at my screen, you can see my. I see my referral history. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I can see. Just go ahead. If there is any problem, I'll confirm.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So if for my referral session, so this is where you would see everybody you've referred. So on this account, I have not referred people yet. So that's why I'm not seeing any referral here. So once you refer people, you will be able to see them here. And of course, you can withdraw your earning, claim them here, and see how much money you've actually earned from the referral programs with the pay card. So that is it about the referral and many other features you can actually try out. Of course, you can see this is my account, and you can do a lot of things there on the 100p dashboard. So I think that is it about the referral program. And of course, I think I can also share my link about Paylink. So if you go to Paylink dot, okay, let me show you how to pre-order the card. Let me show you how to pre-order the card. So click on when you go to 100pay.co, click on the pre-order now button, and then choose between virtual or physical card. So if you want to choose the physical card, or you click on physical card, then click on next, then you choose your material. Do you want the plastic card or you want the titanium card? If you want the plastic card, select the plastic card, and if you want the titanium card, select the titanium card. So black card, and I'll click on next. And for the black card, I'm going to pay $250 for it. And of course, I can as well choose to go back and select the plastic card, and then select the elite card, and then click on next. And for the plastic card, I'm going to pay $250. So to make payments, you click on next, and then put in your email here. For my case here, I'll use this, and then I'll click on proceed, and then I'll put in my password, and then I'll click on proceed, and I'm going to the next screen. This is where I'll put in my address. So I'll say 5 Wall Street, and I'll put in my state. Let's say India as my country, and I'll choose a state in India. Let's say, which state should I choose here? Uh, Okay, let me just choose the first one, and then I'll choose a city, and then I'll use it for example. Or it could be United States, for example. Let's try United States. So I could say New York, New York, and I'll say New York City. All right. So and then I'll click on next. I'll review my summary. Make sure you review your order summary, confirm your address, and then you click on pay. So here now you choose how you pay, whether you want to pay with your card or you want to pay your crypto. So if you want to pay with crypto, you click on crypto, and then you click on pay, and then you read our terms and conditions, and then you click I understand and agree, and then you wait for the 100 page checkout to load. Okay. So this is the 100 pay checkout and it's loading. So we integrated the 100 pay checkout to the pay card page to be able to um, help you make payments for your card using crypto. So let's give it some time to load. All right, so you have to choose 100 pay token, or you can choose USDT, or you can choose Bitcoin to make that payment. Be confirmed, and then you're good.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so I think I can continue from where he stopped
Yeah, yeah, definitely go ahead.
until he's back. I think his network might be bad also. All right, so looking at the 100 pay ecosystem from where he stopped, we have lots of features of which he has also spoken about, lots of them, like the PayLink, which is a global payment system with crypto. Now, the main aim of what we are doing is for the adoption of cryptocurrencies in businesses and our daily lives because the Web3 is booming already. Now, outside having the pay card, we also have the PayLink, which is perfect ways of sending and receiving crypto as a business owner. So the PayLink is a very unique part of the 100 Pay app because if you want to make payment or receive payment as a freelancer for your jobs online, or equally if you want to pay for your potential customers and everybody, and when they click on the link, they get to make payment, and that payment goes straight to your 100 Pay wallet. And from your 100 Pay wallet, that is where we have the pay card coming in. With your 100 Pay wallet, no need to convert to your fiat currency, no need for third parties, no need for gas fees and transaction charges. You just use your pay card and straight you go. So that is the essence of the pay card. And as you can see, the pay card is very new in the crypto space. We don't have much companies providing a Visa backed debit card. So we have lots of features on the 100 Pay wallet that are all linked to the pay card. And like he said, we are distributing first 20,000 pieces of the pay card, of which pre-orders are already going on and people are pre-ordering globally. He also spoke about means of sending these cards. Once you place order, what happens once you place order for your card? Your card is being sent to your address. And he also spoke about verification and security. A KYC is being done on the 100 Pay wallet for every customer. So once you place your order for your card, wherever country you are, we'll send down your card for you. Hello, Brenny. Okay, so that's for the pay card and the pay link. Outside the pay link, we also have the pay QRO. Now, what the QRO does is this: if you're a business owner and you want to start receiving crypto as a business, probably people walk into your stores, your malls, or your restaurants, or wherever store you have, and then they don't have the local currencies, they have crypto to pay. They can equally scan your barcode, your crypto QR code, and make payments using that QR code. And when they make payment using that QR code, the payment comes straight to you. So if you own a shop or you're a business owner and then you run any business globally, you can equally from your 100 Pay wallet request for a QR code. You print out a QR code and then you can stick your QR code in your storefront. So when people place order or come walk into your storefront to buy any product, they can just scan your crypto QR code and make payment to the wallet address that comes out of the QR. And when they make the payment, you receive a notification directly. Now, what that means is globally, anybody can make payments to you. You can equally send that QR code to your customers globally. Probably you're a dropshipper, you dropship products, and then you want to receive payments from one of your customers in a different country. It is very easy with the 100 Pay wallet because there are lots of features for you out there. So if you're a Web3 developer, or you're a business owner, or you're just a crypto enthusiast who wants to just flex around with crypto, we have lots of functionalities and features in the 100 Pay wallet for you. And also on our X account, we are having a 10,000 pay token giveaway happening live, and that is going on the pin post on our X account. So if you guys are hearing me also, you can go to 100pay on X and check on the pin post. There's a tax on the pin post. You can go and start jumping on the tax right now to be among the lucky persons to receive our airdrop, because we'll be airdropping lots of our tokens to everyone online here. But then go to 100pay on X. Just go to your X account and search for 100pay. You're going to see the pinned post over there, and then start jumping on the tags on the pinned post. Also, drop your wallet. I think
Okay.
there's a description
All right.
under
Thank you
there.
very
Just
much, Stuart.
follow the tags and drop your wallet address, and then we'll be doling out our pay tokens to everyone online here. So let's go on with that while we wait for Brainy to continue
Can
with
you
the
guys hear me?
presentations.
Yes, Brainy, I can hear you now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Stuart. Yeah. Okay. So I think I was taking a question
All right, thank
before
you.
I got disconnected. Yeah. Thank you, Stuart.
Okay, no problem. And
I
Brainy,
was I was showing you how I don't.
just
Yeah.
yeah, I just got few questions,
So
actually, a couple
I
of
don't know if you guys
questions.
saw got the process of pre-ordering the card.
Yeah, I've got it actually already. Like if you want, you can share once again. So just let me
Mhm.
take one or two questions from our community too.
Okay.
They're asking a lot of questions in the Binance.
All right. All right. Sure.
Yeah. The first person asked about what should I do if my card is defected or damaged?
Okay, fantastic. So what you can do is to order another card, and since you already had a card, it's just going to be like to order another card. But then your card can still be used via Apple Pay or Google Pay. So if you're very connected to Apple Pay and Google Pay, you can just use that to make payments at malls, right? Or you can still make use of digital to make payments online, and you always be able to pre-order another card anytime you want.
Okay, yeah. Thank you
But
for
at
this
that point now,
answer.
it's
Yeah.
not gonna be like it's not gonna be a fresh order. It's gonna be something you just order and then we'll send it to you maybe in about a week time or two, depending on your location.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you. So, guys, you need to reorder actually once again. So, Brainy, there is another question like,
Mhm.
how are the card transaction
Yeah.
fees calculated?
Okay. All right. So like I said, transaction fee 2% on other cryptocurrencies, and if you're using Pay token, you get to enjoy a whopping discount. So you'll be paying as little as 0.5% or 1% at most in most cases. If there's yes, if there's yeah, if there is a situation where we would have to make a change, that we would have to make an announcement. But for now, one of the reasons why we are doing this one of the reasons why we are doing this is because of our existing users in our ecosystem. So we want them to enjoy that benefit um, of the pay token. That's why we had people who bought pay token earlier. Now you can use this token to make payments and enjoy what discount. So with pay token, you will not have to pay huge transaction fees, but you're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, charging 2%. As at the same thing happens at ATMs. So if you're withdrawing the cash from an ATM machine, it's 2% transaction fee, which is much cheaper than Bybit card and other card providers. If you're using Pay token, you will not pay a huge transaction fee. So that's the fees for now. It's very straight to the point. And you can actually go to the FAQ section on the paycard.100pay.co to actually read more about that. Let me share my screen quickly. I think I can just walk you guys through that as well. Um, all right, so if you can see my screen, please can you say
Yeah,
yeah.
I can.
Can you
Yeah, I
confirm if
can.
you can see my screen? All right, perfect. So this is the only pay checkout. I was about making the payment to $50 in Bitcoin. That's 0.002490. Honeypay does that conversion for you. And once you make the payment, it will detect it automatically. Your order will be confirmed. But I'll close this for now and I'll head over to the home screen because I have already pre-ordered the card. So we have a little trailer. Of course, it's our partners, got Bit Hedge Funds, XT.com, Visa, Ego Chain, and other communities, Health of Africa, and all that. You can read more about us. You can use it on Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. You can use it for your social subscription, X, Instagram, Meta, Facebook, all that. You get discounts, you Apple Music, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube Music, and of course you can add Google Pay and Apple Pay, and then you can enjoy up to 10% discounts on pay token transactions. Of course, you get your referral 4%, $4 on each card. And yes, this part is very important. For those of you that are connected and you are a developer or you own a startup or you're a business and you're wondering, oh, how can I actually benefit from this program? Can I issue crypto cards in my brand name to my users? The answer is yes, we've got you covered. So if you want to issue crypto debit cards to your users, let's say you have an existing user base of 100,000, 10,000, 1 million users, whatever, we can cover you. So you just have to apply for this program. So when you scroll down to this section, you see for developers and for business. So it says issue debit cards that support USD, Euro, Canadian dollar, Indian rupees, and 22 plus cryptocurrencies to your users. So you can actually click here to contact sales and tell us more about your company. Tell us if you've raised funding and your minimum order, and the sales team will get in touch with you. And of course, you can scroll down here as well to learn more about the card. So we have some frequently asked questions here. What can, who can get the pay card? Of course, anybody can get the pay card. And then how do you check the progress of my card application? Of course, that is updated on the debit card page of the dashboard. And how do I add funds to my 100p card? You don't need to it's not a prepaid card. You don't need to add funds to the card like you're not pre-funding it. So it's connected to your wallet. So any cryptocurrency you are holding, you you just have a card, you can access those cryptocurrencies anytime. So yeah, the more you're holding, could be Shiba, it could be whatever, Doge, Bitcoin, anything, pay token, and you can use this card to make those payment. And so it's not like you need to fund it with dollar. It's not a dollar card. It's not just a dollar card. You can hold multiple currencies on this card and spend it globally. All right. So, are there any fees tied to the use of pay card? Of course, yes. Here are a list of fees associated with the card. You have foreign exchange fee 2%, crypto conversion fees 2%, annual fees none, dormancy and inactivity fee none, card cancellation fee none, ATM withdrawal 2%. Of course, can I customize the spending limits on my card? Of course, you have the liberty to um, set your limits to whatever it is you want to set your limits to on a monthly basis to make sure that your card is safe, your card is secure, your funds are safe. In the case where someone stole your card, right? So we always advise that make sure you set a lower spend limit, and whenever you want to make a transaction, let's say you want to buy a Ferrari, Bugatti, or whatever, you can just increase the limits to $1 million and swipe it through, and then you make that payment whenever you want. All right. So the next question is, what currencies can I use with the 100p card? So the 100p card supports transactions in all currencies, cryptocurrencies available in your wallet. With over 22 plus supported cryptocurrencies, you can set your preferred currency for transactions and let the system manage your funds across wallets seamlessly. What that means is you don't have to fund the card ahead of time. You just have to hold crypto in your wallet and you can spend whenever you want without having to convert between currencies. All right. So the next question is, what additional benefits does the 100p card offer? So 100p card offer, is not just limited to 100p services, it integrates with other platforms. All right. So the 100p card comes with several additional benefits. For example, integrations with Head Africa, a SEC license, crypto exchange, housing exchange where you can actually buy real estate and invest in real estate with as little as $10. So Head Africa and also enabling access to credit loans facility for eligible users. This makes the card versatile and credit-based transaction within the Head Africa ecosystem. So you can enjoy 10% discount when making transactions with pay token, making your purchase more rewarding. So the next question is, how does the 100p crypto card compare to other crypto cards? All right, so the other pay crypto debit card stands out in several ways compared to other providers. So, in spending limits, like I spoke about earlier, while other providers impose daily limit of $5,000, monthly limits of $50,000, and yearly limit of $250,000. So, I'll go there again. You see, other providers give you $5,000 a day. You spend limits, monthly limits $50,000, and yearly limit of $250,000. But the pay card offers more flexible limits tailored to your account tier. You can access as much as $1 million a month, depending on what you want to do. I mean, crypto is meant for freedom, so you should have the freedom to spend your card you spend your money anyhow and wherever you want, right? So far as you know what you're doing. So we have the prepaid versus direct funding. Unlike many competitors that operate as prepaid cards, the 100 Pay card works directly with your funding balance, seamlessly utilizing the crypto assets without requiring preloading. Of course, you know the difference between prepaid card and card that works with your direct funding balance. All right. So you say with the advantage, the 100 Pay card provides unparalleled convenience and flexibility for managing and spending your crypto assets. All right. So we'll go to the next question. I don't know if I'm still connected. Austin, can you confirm if you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Just go ahead. And also
Okay,
after this,
perfect.
I need to
Oh
take some
yes.
question from community also.
All right.
So
Yes.
let's finish
Yes.
this.
Fantastic. All right. So I'll talk about the last question here on the FAQ. So can I issue cards to my users with the 100 Pay APIs? The answer is yes. You can issue cards to your users using the 100 Pay cards API. This service is exclusively available to startups or businesses that can meet a minimum order requirement of 1,000 cards. I mean, that has to be reviewed. I think the numbers has increased already because we're running out of orders to 10,000. So get started or learn more about how this feature can support your business, contact sales team. All right, so what's holding you back? Head over and pre-order the cards. And of course, make sure you join our community. Make sure you are X. We do constant giveaways. We have products rolling out always and updates. So stay tuned in our Telegram, our X, and Discord and Medium. Make sure you don't join fraudulent accounts. Don't join fake accounts, the fake community scam. Nobody will ever send you a message asking you for your password or for your seed phrases, or we don't do that. So the only way to contact us is through our website 100p.co, or always come here and click on support, and a support person will always get in touch with you. And if you're within our cities and countries you're operating in, feel free to visit us and we'll be able to answer your questions or help you out where we can. Thank you very much, Austin. I will let you take over from here.
Yeah, thank you for your nice presentation. Actually, I'm sorry.
Mhm.
So may I ask some question from community? Like I can see people are asking a lot of question in the Binance. So I have to take
Yeah.
five. I already asked two. So one
Okay.
person asked about, do you have any ambassador program?
Okay, ambassador program. Oh yeah, of course. So we can actually review that. If you want to be an ambassador for 100 Pay, so of course contact support, go join our community and send one of the admins a message. So you can reach out to Chiwe, you can reach out to Confidence, you can reach out to some admins there, right? So you let us know if you've been an ambassador for other crypto exchanges, other crypto platforms. Um, you have uh, proven records and you are a serious person, you can become an ambassador for us and refer and onboard other crypto startups, other businesses. 100 is not just for Web3. 100 can work for Web2 users. So if you have an e-commerce website, you can integrate 100 checkouts on your e-commerce website so that people can come there and shop with their cryptocurrencies. This is going to boost sales for you because through 100 checkouts, you can give your users huge discounts, right? So integrate the 100 checkout. It is free to integrate the 100 checkout. We don't charge you processing fee. No, processing fee is 0%, right? So 100% free for receiving payments, right? And you can just pay just $1 whenever you're sending your money out. So integrate that. So if you're an ambassador, you can refer project, and for each project you're referring towards, you are earning huge, right? Commissions, and for those ambassadors that can drive community growth for us, we can actually join us and you get to share because we have an allocation for ecosystem rewards and development up to 20% of our tokens. So we can actually give you tokens for your contributions to our ecosystem. So I think that should be it. My response to for ambassadors program: reach out to Chiwe in the community, send us an email to support at 100p.co, or contact support. Let us know your proposal and we can see how to work with you. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you once again. Yes, guys, they have their ambassador. You can check out from their website. So let me take another one. I think it's like a good question. Like, how is your 100 pay facing challenges in global payments?
Sorry, can you take that question again? I didn't get that.
Yeah, like what kind of problems that you are facing in global payments, or what is the solution right now?
Oh yeah. The main issue with global payments is the fact that I'm in United States and I have dollar, and I'll find myself in China. I can't spend my dollar there. I have to convert to Chinese um, yens to be able to spend. And that is a huge problem which cryptocurrency has solved, but there's been a slow adoption by the traditional, finance that we already know. Oh, you go to China, you have to convert your Indian rupees to yens or your dollar to yens because they can accept that there. But this is where crypto is bridging that gap. But the issue here is education. So many players, manufacturers, and suppliers, and all that, they're not yet very informed. I mean, it's volatile, so they don't want you to give them Bitcoin today, and by tomorrow it's less of the value you give them. So they always choose to deal with fiat, right? So that's a major issue crypto we are trying to solve with 100p, right? So now with the card, you no longer have to do this. You just have a card that has funds in it, and wherever you go, you can spend that money. You don't have to start converting from dollar to yens, from Indian rupees to dollar or anything. With that card, you can spend wherever you want. You're at your supplier anywhere, you can do a whole lot with that card. All right. So of course, you can also, when we're rolling out our banking as a service for businesses, you'll be able to use 100p to hold up to seven fiat currencies, right? And you can receive your funding from venture capitalists or pay your business suppliers through those accounts, and they are premium service accounts of you. I mean, there's a whole lot that we're going to be doing next year, and you need this card to access this ecosystem and this infrastructure. So make sure that you are not missing out on this, because the card is going to be really limited before regulators start jumping and say, hey, you know what? I mean, these cards are everywhere. You need to reduce the limits, and we're going to release the limits for those that are coming in new. So what you want to do is pre-order the card now, so you'll be on our priority list, right? So this is just a few ways we are addressing the problem that comes with global payments. So PayCard solves that issue. You don't have to convert anymore between currencies. You just spend them wherever you go. So this is like putting crypto in your pocket and being able to spend crypto wherever and whenever without having to worry about volatility, like all that. So thank you very much, Austin. I don't know if that's answered your question.
Yes, definitely. I think you covered. So I think, Brandy, we're enough for now, actually. So I think we covered your regulation issues, your security, your benefits, and everything. So I'd like to say, like like to our audiences, guys, if you have any questions and query regarding to their cards and their like 100 pays, you can go to their social, like Twitter. You can ask there; they will answer your question. So, Brainy, do you have any suggestion or any closing remarks before wrapping the session or anything else that you want to share?
Oh yeah, sure. I want to encourage everyone and join the 100p ecosystem. Join our Telegram. It's a fast-growing community. Follow us on X. It's a fast-growing community, and of course, 100p card is already everywhere on media and news. You can Google it, check it on Google, and you see major press has written about us, and of course, we'll be featuring soon on Bloomberg and on Forbes, TechCrunch, on CoinDex. We're already in touch with major media agencies that are already working on this to drive the adoption of crypto payment, because we are very keen about this and want to make sure that we make crypto become the future of payments. Not just the future of payment, the standard for payment, because it's secure, it is 100% safe, anonymous. I mean, of course, so you don't want everybody to know in what you're doing with your money. So we just want to make this possible for you. So join our community so you can be hearing from us on a daily basis. Ask your questions, and we will educate you in about our products. And of course, we'll be coming back to you from time to time with Wise Crypto, holding other AMAs. And we have another AMA coming up next week with about four other communities, and we have a lot of giveaways lined up, right? So make sure right now we even have a giveaway on Taxon. You can go and join on Taxon to share that giveaway, perform all the tax. All right. So we also have another giveaway program that's coming up with Wise. All right. So we have a very huge mega giveaway. So Wise will be announcing it later in the communities, I think up to $5,000 or more. So you can actually benefit and share that reward pool. So a lot of things that you can actually benefit from. We always give it back to the community and want to tell you support 100p project. Support us, like tell your friends about it, refer, and we would always be able to support you anytime, any day. And let's hope for the best. 100 will be listing on more exchanges next year. Right now, we're listed on xt.com exchange. You can go there and search for Pay plus USD. So the 100 Pay token is on XT exchange. The trading pair is Pay. So you can actually buy Pay, and if you didn't join Bitcoin to $100,000, you might want to join Pay to $1. So Pay is always growing and thriving. So thank you very much for joining the AMS session. Big shout out to other um, team members from 100p. Royal is on the call, Miracle is on the call, amazing engineers, and Chinwe doing great with the community. And thank you so much, Wise Crypto, for giving us this platform, your audience, to tell them about the future of payments and also giving them an opportunity to be part of our very first set of users like crypto users of our card, right? So you can actually pre-order that card so that you can, when we do other giveaway programs or other programs with Austin that will be unique to only the pay holders of the card and the token, you'll be able to participate. So thank you very much, Austin. I don't know if you have something else to say, but or maybe if Chiwe has something else to say, maybe I'm missing out on something. Chiwe, you can unmute your mic and speak, or I'll call that a day. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Brainy. Yeah, wish you good luck for the future. Hope that people will buy, people will like use your cards, and also I would like to say for community guys, just order their cards before it's like I can say just finishing up actually. So they have just limited edition of their card like 20K. So before I can say that it's ending up, you can order their cards, you can use them, so just be part of them actually, and also they have the tokens. You can also buy these. Just support them actually. So thank you, Brenny, for your comment. Thank you once again. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Austin. Thank you for being a good host today. It was really remarkable.
Yeah, bye.
All right, bye, guys. Yeah, yeah.